garlic, finger, white garlic, white onion, alugbati. I don't know what this kind of this vegetable, but it is edible. Chop it until it's fine. Chop the alugbati. Add garlic and ginger, saute. Mix of butter or margarine. Put the red and white onion. Okay. Veggies. Saute. After that, apply again the other vegetable, the alugbati. Saute. Apply salt and pepper. Mix it. When it's turning greens, the oil and the vegetables, put the egg. Serve!
Ay ang Boca 5-star Piccolo is na effect din yun. Kung kailanganin operahan yung pasyente, mag-aanda.
Sabay po paalala ng mga otoridad laban sa mga ipinagbabawal na paputok para sa pagsalubong